Welcome back to Insight Sphere, your go-to source for the latest crypto trends, market insights, and expert analysis. Today, we'll analyze PI coin trend and related developments. Come straight to the point. Pi Network is in serious trouble. The price has plunged to just $0.7707, marking a devastating 74% drop from its all-time high. In just months, Pi's market cap has shrunk from nearly $20 billion to $5.35 billion, wiping out over $14 billion in value. So, what's causing this massive collapse? The questions are, first, is this the end of Pi Network, or can it bounce back? Second, what major risks are pushing investors away? Third, and most importantly, does Pi still have a chance to recover? In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know, the exact reasons Pi is crashing, the biggest risks facing Pi investors right now, technical analysis, could we see a 125% rebound, or is more pain ahead? What needs to happen for Pi to recover? This is a crucial moment for Pi Network, so stick around till the end. You don't want to miss this. Let's start by looking at Pi Network's price action. As of today, Pi has crashed to 0.7915, its lowest level since February 2025. Key stats on Pi's decline: 74% drop from its all-time high market cap, fell from $20 billion to just $5.35 billion, over $14 billion in value wiped out. This is one of the biggest collapses in the crypto market recently, and it's left investors wondering, what's behind this massive downfall? One of the biggest reasons Pi is crashing? It's still not listed on major exchanges. Right now, you can trade Pi on OKX, Gate.io, and BitGet, but no Binance, the world's largest exchange. No Coinbase, the gateway for US investors. No Upbit, the biggest exchange in South Korea where Pi is extremely popular. Without these listings, millions of potential buyers have no easy way to buy or trade Pi. And without fresh demand, the price continues to decline. This lack of major exchange support raises a big question. Why aren't they listing Pi? What's holding them back? Another major reason for Pi's decline? Investors are losing interest. Just a few weeks ago, Pi Network had over $1 billion in daily trading volume. Today, that number has dropped to just $213 million. That's an 80% collapse in trading activity, meaning fewer people are buying and selling Pi, and liquidity is drying up. This lack of volume means even small sell-offs can cause huge price drops, making the market even more volatile. Another major concern? Pi Network is about to release a massive amount of tokens into the market. Over the next 12 months, more than 1.6 billion new Pi tokens will be unlocked. More supply plus low demand equals lower prices. Existing holders panic selling in fear of dilution. Unless new investors step in to absorb these additional tokens, the increased supply will flood the market and push prices down even further. Finally, one of the biggest red flags? Pi's token distribution is extremely centralized. 7 wallets controlled by the Pi Foundation hold over $50 billion worth of Pi tokens. That's a huge concentration of power in just a few hands. This raises serious concerns. Could the Pi Foundation dump tokens on retail investors? Could Pi's supply be manipulated behind the scenes? For a project that claims to be decentralized, this level of centralization is a major red flag for investors. Now let's look at the charts. Could Pi be ready for a rebound? Or is there more pain ahead? Technical indicators say Pi is forming a falling wedge pattern, a bullish breakout signal. The RSI is in oversold territory, suggesting a potential reversal. If Pi breaks $1.80, it could rally up to 125%. But if selling pressure continues, Pi could drop to 60 cents or lower. This is a make or break moment. Pi needs a major catalyst to trigger a reversal, or we could see even lower prices ahead. So, what needs to happen for Pi to recover? Three key factors that could save. Pi, major exchange listings. A Binance or Coinbase listing could skyrocket demand. Increased investor interest. Pi needs stronger fundamentals to attract big players. Transparency and decentralization. The Pi Foundation must address centralization concerns. If Pi can achieve these, we could see a strong recovery. But if not, the downtrend might continue. Pi Network is at a make or break moment. Will it recover, or is this the beginning of the end? What do you think? Will Pi bounce back, or is it over? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. This is Insight Sphere,